Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter ratio. So let's get started. The question is 48 ratio 72. So we are going to divide these two numbers with a table of 2. So 48 would be inside 48, 2 here, 2, 2's are 4. We are going to minus 4 with 4, that will be 0, 8 will come down. So 2 4's are 8 minus 0. So we are going to write here 24 ratio. We are going to divide 72 with 2. So 2 3's are 6 minus 1 will come down, 2 will come down, that will be 12. 2 6's are 12 minus 0. So this would be 36. 36. So we are going to divide these two numbers with 2 again. So 2 here, 24 here, 2 1's are 2 minus 0, 4 will come down, 4, then 2 2's are 4 minus 0 0. So the answer is 12. 12 we will write here. We will write here. Ratio, it's written 36. We are going to divide 36 with 2. So 36 we will write here and 2 we will write here. So 2 1's are 2 minus 1 will come down, 6 will come down, that would be 16. So 2 8's are 16 minus 0 0. So we are going to write here 18. So we are going to divide these two numbers with 2 again. So 2 here, 2 here, 2 6's are 12 and then 2 9's are 18, and then we are going to divide these two numbers with 3 this time. That would be 2 right here, because 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So we wrote here 2 and we will write here 3, because 3 3's are 9. So this is the final answer. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and share this to someone who needs it and who is in need for this. And see you next time. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.